Hey YouTube, we're Marko with Marko Custom Models, coming to you with just a kit review on the Back to the Future 3 time machine with the red wheels and the baby moons, my favorite version of the car. Just wanted to, I just finally picked this kit up. I have actually the other kits, movie 1, 2, and 3 with the train wheels, and anyway, I finally got this one, so I wanted to open it up and share it with you guys. And I thought I'd do it on camera, so this is the first time you're looking inside. I mean, it's going to be the same as the other Polar Light kits as far as the bodies and all of that stuff, but let's see what else we got in this kit. So let's get to it here. Just going to get my hobby knife and slice the open here. So yeah, when I was growing up, Back to the Future was sort of one of my favorite movies and that growing up. And so yeah, being able to have the kit is pretty cool. They had older models like the Japanese kits way back in the day, and also AMT I think released the same kit, and they're 24th scale. What I like about these models is they're actually 25th scale, and they have a great finish on the bodies. We open it up and I'll show you what that's like. I'll put the lid aside. So right away you have this pre-finished body that looks like they put on like they've chromed it and then scuffed it. Looks like stainless steel, so it'll finish up really nice. Let me open this up and show you what that's really like in the light here. So there we have that beautiful finished body. So all you have to do is do your trim work on it and it'll come out really nice. There's the chassis. So it's a pretty simple kit, but you know, it builds up really nicely. It has enough detail. When you put it all together, it'll look fantastic. So there's the body. So in here we have the hubcaps, the baby moons, and the chrome for the taillights and headlights. It's pretty standard. And we have all our interior dashboard. Might as well cut it open so you can see it. Okay, just catch any loose pieces there. Okay, so here's the one tree. We have the flux capacitor here. And these are the backs for the vents at the rear. There's other parts to it that goes on the roof. And then here's your dashboard. A lot of stuff to detail up there. Really nice. You can pick that out. We have our interior door panels. These are some details for the outside. And then the outside trim where the wires go and all that kind of stuff. Very nice. This looks like one of the bumpers. Maybe the front bumper goes over top. That's where all the wires go. Doc Brown put it all in there. And we have here steering wheel and column all in one. Nicely casted. Looks good. Get to some of the special features. Look at this. Oh, this is great. Get to that in a second here. Cut open this the other tree. The other bag of trees, I should say. It's kind of exciting. Okay, so this has the when the chip fried out, there's that extra big chip made back in 1955. Be able to do the repair. And so that one would also be in the one with the train wheels. And here's a couple other details and parts. Here are the wheels. Look pretty awesome. I like the casting on those wheels. That's a nice finish. Look really good. And then it looks like these are some wheel backs that kind of drop things down so that it'll sit a little higher. Interesting fact about this car in real life, it was built on a Volkswagen chassis for the like a Beetle chassis for doing the stunts. So that's why the car sat so high in the movie. This is the interior tub here, which incorporates the back, the seats, and I guess and also some more detail there. And this comes with both the Mr. Fusion and the original for one, so it's got both, and it also comes with the antenna that for movie number 1. So it's got some generic trees, which are good. You can get some parts, and that's awesome. Now looking at this, you get pad printed white walls. They look amazing. See them through the bag there. Here, let me just pop that out of the bag and see what that looks like. There we go. Those will look really nice on that, on the model. So yeah, that's the tires, and it comes with some license plate decals, looks like. So you got the original out of time plate, as well as in that movie number 2 it had the barcode. Nicely done. Those are also in the other models as well. Just a piece of protective cardboard there. Alright, and a couple of metal axles, although I don't think this car actually uses the metal axles, but I'll have to look that up. Oh, and of course the glass. I'm not going to open that up. I don't want it to get scratched up. But it's got the detail of the little rolling down window on the side that Delorean has. So yeah, that's it. That's the Back to the Future 3 DeLorean with the red wheels and the white walls. And I hope you enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. If you like, please subscribe and have a great day.